guys, I'm Shikha and this is Be Down Style Under 3, where we help break down the latest looks of your favorite Bollywood celebrities. So recently Alia Bhatt and Janhvi Kapoor both were spotted in a lemon yellow outfit. Starting with Alia's look, she was seen wearing a drop waist dress that had an asymmetrical hemline and it also had ruffles around the hem. The dress had a really subtle checkered print and it had a cutout around the waistline with a bow around the bust line. She left her hair in soft waves and wore the look with a very fresh face of makeup and white sneakers. Janhvi, on the other hand, was spotted in a strappy, button-down midi dress that had a slight ruffle detail around the hem. She wore it with her hair in her natural texture, no makeup and Kolhapuri chappals to add a bit of a boho touch to her look. Now, I honestly prefer Janhvi's look to that of Alia's because I feel like because of the asymmetrical hem and all of that drama happening and the hem of Alia's dress, pairing it with a pair of sneakers was a bit too podgy. She should have picked a pair of open-toe shoes or a pair of heels that would have elevated her and given her a little bit more height. But as for the dress, I think both the dresses were really cute, and lemon yellow is such a fresh, young and vibrant color. So I'm going to talk about how you can wear something very similar to that of what Alia and Janhvi were wearing. Starting with a dress that I think is very similar to that of Janhvi's. It's a button down, it flares out from the end, and Janhvi's of course had a strap detail. This one has an off the shoulder. The way you could style it is by keeping the accessories very minimal. Maybe wear a dainty gold necklace or hoop earrings and pair it with a pair of boho style Kolhapuri chappal similar to that of Janhvi's. The next dress that I have over here is extremely appropriate for a beach vacation. This has a cutout detail and a bow but at the back. So over here you can see it has a nice back cutout detail with a hanging thread over here that you could just tie and make a bow out of, or just like make one knot and leave it loose for that unkempt look. And from the front it looks like a nice fitted bodycon maxi dress. What's also interesting is that the tighter you pull the bow, the tighter the dress gets. So if you want it to be a bit of a loose fit, you could do that as well. Another interesting option that I have is to pick a hoodie from the men's section. It'll be nice and oversized and you could make a t-shirt dress out of it. Raid your brother's, boyfriend's, father's closet for a bright and yellow hoodie like this one. Pair it with a pair of white chunky sneakers. That sneakers would look really great. It would be a nice take on androgyny. Androgyny is not always about wearing a pantsuit. You could also pick up hoodies from the men's section and wear that sneakers and have yourself a fabulous outfit. Maybe keep the accessorizing a little dainty. Wear big thin hoops to make it a bit more feminine, and the outfit will be super comfortable and chic. So that's all we have from this episode. I will see you guys next time. Bye. So recently Alia Bhatt took to her Instagram and posted a picture of herself with a friend of hers where she was seen adding a splash of color to the New York winters. Here's a look at what she was wearing. She wore a pair of red trousers that she paired with a white tank top, and then she layered the look with a red long line blazer that was warm and oversized. Now, winters are usually associated with dull colors, monochrome or monotone looks, but Alia Bhatt and the fashion gods have decided to add a splash of color this winter season, as red is one of the hottest trends for winter 2019. So I'm going to show you guys some cool ways in which you can wear red this winter season. Starting off, if you don't want to wear red pants with a red blazer, if that's too much color for you and you're someone who likes to keep it subtle and subdued, then you could go for your classic pair of ripped jeans. This also dresses the look down a little bit. So we have a pair of ripped jeans over here, a white tank top that is very similar to the one that Alia was wearing, and then your splash of color will be a red coat like this one. So just layer it on top of it. You could also wear it over your shoulders in a Canadian tuxedo tuck. That looks really stylish as well. Since the pair of jeans is really a skinny fit, you could also pair it with a pair of thigh-high boots or riding boots to keep you warmer in the winter months. Another big trend this winter season is leather and suede. So I'm going to show you guys a winter look which includes leather and a color in the red family. So starting off with these oxblood color, they almost look like a really dark brown. Culottes, these are leather culottes. What's interesting about culottes is that we've seen a lot of fashionistas, including Sonam Kapoor, do this, where she took it to the winter months by pairing it with a pair of thigh-high boots underneath. So it keeps you warm, and leather of course is a warm fabric in itself. What you can wear inside this is a red tank top to add a splash of color, and then layer the entire look with another leather piece by choosing a crop leather jacket like this one. This has a fun frill on the hem that adds a bit of feminine touch to a rugged fabric like this one. Next, if you're going for a night out, you can paint the town red in a sheer dress like this one. This of course has a slip dress on the inside, and then it has a sheer layer on top of it. You must be wondering how this is winter appropriate. Well, of course you cannot wear a dress like this and go out in the cold months. So what you can do is pair it with a matching overcoat like this one. So this is a great way to transition your summer wardrobe into winters. That's all from this episode of B-Town Style Under 3. I'll see you guys in another episode with another look and breakdown. Bye.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.